Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Shiksha Education Consultancy, and with you, I'm your friend and host Amin. The topic on which we are going to discuss on today's video is 18 reasons why pursuing MBBS degree from Bangladesh is better than any other countries. Means what are the causes or what are the important reasons that makes MBBS from Bangladesh is a prior option for an Indian student wanting to get admission in MBBS course abroad. So to know all the 18 important factors elaborately, do watch this video till the end. We'll start with the very first reason that makes MBBS from Bangladesh is a prior option is reason number 1, highest MCI passing percentage ratio. Let me explain it. First of all, what is MCI test? Okay, MCI means Medical Council of India. After completing the MBBS degree from any foreign country, when you return to India and you want to start practice as a medical practitioner in India, before starting the practice in India, you must have to pass the test organized by the Medical Council of India. If you score the qualifying marks in the test, then only you will get the license or registration number to practice as a medical practitioner inside India. Hope I have cleared your doubt about MCI test. Now let me move towards the MCI passing rate of MBBS students, those who pursued their MBBS degree from Bangladesh. Bangladesh stands on the second position with the highest MCI passing percentage rate. The first position goes to Mauritius. According to a report published on Times of India in 2019, Bangladesh has a passing percentage of 32 to 33%. On MCI test, for your better information, I would add that if you search for 10 highest MCI passing universities of the world, then 7 universities out of 10 comes under Bangladesh, and the rest of the 3 universities are from the other countries from the entire globe. That's pretty impressive. Okay, now come to the second reason. Reason number 2, low fee structure. The fee structure of MBBS in Bangladesh is very low as compared to the other countries. It takes only about 25 to 40 lakhs in Indian rupee to complete the entire MBBS course in Bangladesh. Reason number 3, MCI and WHO approved colleges. Medical colleges of Bangladesh have the approval of MCI, means Medical Council of India, and the approval of WHO, means the World Health Organization. Reason number 4, similar syllabus like MCI. The syllabus which is taught to the MBBS students in Bangladesh is very much similar to the syllabus of Medical Council of India. So the syllabus doesn't grow any issues to qualify on the MCI test. The books you study in India during your MBBS course like anatomy, physiology or gynecology, the same books are taught in Bangladesh as your syllabus. Most amazingly, the authors of those books also remains same. Reason number 5, very close to India. As you all know that Bangladesh is a neighboring country of India. We share our border with Bangladesh in West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura. It becomes easier to travel from Bangladesh to India or from India to Bangladesh with the savings of both time and money. It costs only about 5,000 to fly to Dhaka from Kolkata, Guwahati, Agartala and Delhi. And you can travel to Bangladesh by train or bus too. Reason number 6, high patient flow. Bangladesh is a densely populated country, and because of that you will get a massive patient flow to the medical college hospital on which you are studying your MBBS degree. It's highly important for the students to have patients on your medical college hospital when you go for your practical classes. As you all know, Bangladesh is a densely populated country. It becomes easier to get patients on the hospitals of medical colleges of Bangladesh, and the disease of Bangladeshi people are also similar to the Indian people as the climatic condition and the lifestyle is almost same. So it becomes a plus point for you when you return to India and start practicing as a medical practitioner. Reason number 7, best quality education. Bangladesh provides the high quality of education in terms of MBBS study. The main university of Bangladesh, that is Dhaka University, which stands as the 10th best university of the world, and the guidelines of Dhaka University is very helpful for the students. Reason number 8, English medium. All the medical colleges of Bangladesh teach their lessons in English language, and the medium for the course is also English, so you don't need to learn any other additional languages to fulfill your study. Reason number 9, climate. As Bangladesh is very closer to our India, the climatic condition of Bangladesh is very much similar to the climatic condition of India. So for that, you are not going to suffer any kind of problems raised by climate. Reason number 10, food. Food is one of our primary needs. You may love or hate. You must have to eat foods to stay alive. So food matters. The fooding facility in Bangladesh is almost similar to India. You will get the same vegetables in Bangladesh which are available in Indian market. So fooding facility is not going to harm your study life at all. Reason number 11. Religion and festivals. Most of the Bangladeshi people follows Islam or Hinduism, and it's easier to find out a temple or a mosque in Bangladesh for those who are religious students. Because of religions, the festivals in Bangladesh are also same as Indian festivals. So the vacations for festivals become same, which makes an ease for the students to travel home during the festival days. Reason number 12, language. Most of the population in Bangladesh can speak in Bengali, Hindi, English and Urdu language. So the language is not going to raise any issues during your day-to-day life as well as your studies, because most of the teaching faculties of your college will be able to communicate on those 4 languages. Reason number 13, culture. The culture of Bangladesh is very much similar to the culture of India. You will never feel awkward in Bangladesh because of culture. From the dressing sense to the lifestyle habits, every aspects are very much similar with the Indian culture. Reason number 14, special medical colleges for women. In Bangladesh, there are some medical colleges which are only for girls. For example, Z.A. Shikdar Women's Medical College, Sylhet Women Medical College, etc. So it can be a good choice for the female students. Reason number 15, safe country. Bangladesh is a safe country for Indian students. During staying in Bangladesh, you will never ever feel that you are staying in a foreign country. Reason number 16, real human body during dissection classes. There has a subject on first year MBBS course in Bangladesh which is named as anatomy. During the practical classes of anatomy, the dissections are done on a real human body, not on a plastic body or a dummy. There has lots of countries where the dissection classes are taught on a plastic body or a dummy. Reason number 17, optional internship. After completing the academic years, you can do your internship from Bangladesh or India depending upon your own convenience. Reason number 18, shorter course duration. The complete duration of MBBS course in Bangladesh is of 6 years, in which 5 years of academics and 1 year of internship. There are several countries around the globe where the MBBS course lengths for 7 to 8 years. So friends, this much on today's video. If you are wanting to know about the private medical colleges which are situated in Bangladesh, then please have a look on the description box of this video. We have provided the link of the list of the private medical colleges of Bangladesh along with their location, establishment year and the seat capacity for session 2020 and 2021. Or if you have questions, please comment on comment box. We must try to reply your comment. And if you want individual video of each and every private medical college situated in Bangladesh elaborately, then please share your view here in comment box. We will definitely try to make videos on every single private medical college situated there in Bangladesh. And finally, I would love to say you that if you are interested to get admission in MBBS, BDS, BTech, MBA, etc. courses that may be in India, maybe in Bangladesh or maybe any other foreign countries, and for that you have lots of questions and queries regarding that, just check the description box of this video. There you will get the link of the official website of Shiksha Education Consultancy. Just visit it or contact to the number showing right here now. There must be some viewers out here who is a student or a job holder or a person who doesn't have any job, and all of them are wanting to earn some extra money. And for that, if you are wanting to open an education consultancy at your locality, then please feel free to contact us. We will provide you the ideas and the informations you will need during the counseling of a student. In addition, if you need any kind of help related to education consultancy, then we we, I mean Shiksha Education Consultancy, will be there for you. If you refer students to Shiksha Education Consultancy individually, then also you will get an attractive gift hamper from our side. We'll meet you all sooner with a new video on a different topic. Till then, be happy, keep smiling and live the life. Thank you.